Nothing stays enchanted forever, except for these magical party decorations. The wait is finally over. Hashtag OMG. I don't know about you, but I am so excited for Disney's Disenchanted streaming right now. I have to have a Disenchanted watch party ASAP and share this experience with everyone I know. In person, online, Andalasia, all the places, you name it. Wherever you have your Disenchanted watch party, these decorations and recipes are perfect for it. I've missed Giselle and her family so much. I can't wait to see the beautiful people they've become and the challenges they're facing right now. Today, with the magic of imagination and a few household items, we're building the perfect party to make your dream come true. Every princess needs a little help keeping track of the time, especially Giselle. So, for some fun and a super cute reminder, I love this clock-inspired, crafty centerpiece. Oh, looks like it's time for the next hack. Using the top of a soda bottle, add some cardboard cutouts to create a cone rooftop shape. I love adding extra to give it some je ne sais quoi. Yes, please. Glue a printed cutout clock right in the middle of the tower. Add some string lights inside your vases to help shine your princess vibes. Once upon a time, there was a fantastic clock tower that all your friends will be talking about. My princess party wouldn't be complete without some royally delicious cake. Last party I had, I blew all my friends away with these turret tower cone cakes. They look good enough to live in and taste just as sweet. Fill a flat-bottomed ice cream cone about halfway with chocolate cupcake batter. Take the bottom of a pointed ice cream cone and dip into a cup of melted pink candy melts. Microwave yellow taffy to soften and roll out with a rolling pin. With this, you cut out an arched window shape and put it onto the flat cone. Hashtag yum. Once cooled, pipe some buttercream on top of the cupcake. Now we have to do some piping. Making whatever color foliage speaks to you, pipe leaves and flowers down the side of the cone. Oh, look how cute that is. We all know that princesses are powerful, strong, beautiful, lovely, amazing. Oh, sorry. Got a little carried away there. But in order to be a princess, you also have to be kind and caring. Something Giselle will no doubt be in Disenchanted. Resist the dark side, girl. One way to be kind is gift giving. And even if you're on a budget, your friends will love these super affordable DIY candy jar party favors. Oh, comes with a crown. Cut a ribbon and carefully smooth the edges with a lighter. Ooh, awesome. Wrap this pretty pink ribbon around a ruler at an angle. Trust me, it's gonna turn out great. See? Look at that. Add double-sided tape at the bottom of the ribbon and slide it out from the ruler. With some tweezers, carefully roll the ribbon around it and watch it transform into a rose. OMG, I love this. Place your beautiful rose in the only holiday gift any princess needs, a crown. Voila! Royals of all shapes and sizes are gonna love this one. Okay. My new not-so-secret obsession are these beautiful and enchanting stained glass candy cookies. These cookies impress people of all ages. Such elegance and class. And they're so easy to make. Hey, let's give it a try. Cut out large stars using a star-shaped cookie cutter. Take a smaller star cutter and remove that inside. Place your hard candy into the center of each star and bake. Look at those scrumptious cookies. Ooh, don't mind if I do.
Is it time for the princess party yet?
Oh, honey, the wait is over.
Yes!
No matter what Giselle and her family are up to, I'm ready for it. I'm feeling excited, entrancing, fully enchanted. I have a feeling that Disenchanted on Disney Plus is going to be the movie event of the holiday season. Catch you there.
On the last stroke of midnight, nothing will be as it was before.
Tick tock, tick tock.
Oh, I can't be an evil cat.
Disney's Disenchanted. Rated PG. Now streaming only on Disney Plus.